Top girl Shaneil Muir gives relationship advice to her fans and followers.
I'm not gonna deal with a man who can't maintain me. I'm not, listen, I'm not gonna want nobody, not friend of man. I'm not gonna beg no man money. But me and you are for them on the same level. That me I talk about. Me and you are for them on the same level. Because guess what? Guess what? There was a level at once where I was building myself as well. So guess what now? You see, if you feel like you're on the level where you build yourself, you alone are going to stay there and build yourself over there. So me and you, me not come build you and you not come build me.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now, people may have a video with the top girl talk to her fans them, and she tell them about self-value and self-worth among some other things, right? Some relationship advice. It's more of a discussion base more than anything else. So, I'm going to tell you just a rundown of some of the things that she talk about. Like, for example, she say she can proudly walk through her community and nobody can point her out and call her name, say them have them way with her. If you don't understand what I said, that's one of the things she said. Then she go on and talk about self-worth and not devaluing yourself. She also go into details about how much she spend on herself, you know, her bras and panties and so on. Just to make an example. You know, we hear it further down in another video, right? And then she talk about not building with no man and not help no man build cause no man never help her build. Now I don't want to draw a conclusion yet, more want to hear what she has say before no make up on her mind. So take a listen, here goes.
You have to understand something now. It's not about hype and it's not about this and it's not about that. It's more about self-respect and it's more about levels and it's more about values, okay? Right now, more I explain to the ladies them say, you need to understand, say, when you're at a certain position in your life, just remember that you have to consider yourself as exclusive. You're not supposed to be accessible to any somebody, any man. And any man supposed to call your name a road or have anything to talk about you a road. Because listen to me, I am proud to say I can walk in my community and not be ashamed. Okay? Listen to me, man. Ladies should know that, listen, when you put a certain value for yourself, unless that person sees that value, and unless them show you to them value you, don't drop your guard and don't drop your standards. Because you see, the moment you drop your standards for somebody, they're going to go ahead and lower that standards even lower than you dropped it. Because them feel like, say, okay, at this point, them can take you for certain kind of either. And it goes for more than just men. It goes for more than relationship. It goes for people in general.
Now, I definitely can relate to what Shaneil Muir say, right? I'm going to tell you now a little story that I heard in recent times. So, the story goes that a man, you know, just a speaker whosoever, he had a $50, US $50. Him crush it up and him ask who want it, everybody raise them hand. Him put it on the ground, stomp on it with him shoes, ask who want it, everybody still put up them hand. But the moral of the story is when something have value, you know what I mean, you will never lose value. Now in that case, even though it crush up and everything, it's still money. It's still well value. You can spend crush up money. So that just for the support what she has said, that when you have value and when you keep your value, you know what I mean, people will respect you as such. Because no matter how people think like, you know what I mean, they're more than you, if you think that you are who you are and, you know what I mean, hold yourself to that standard, then can't go around you.
If you walk around like you're damaged, act like you're damaged, and everything do you, and all these things, you're going to make these men deal with you like you're damaged. Okay? You're going to make the man deal with you like say you're damaged. You're going to make the people them out the road deal with you like say you're damaged. So, it's best if you just listen. Fix yourself. Remember the other day me I telling you have to fix yourself. Put back yourself. Invest in yourself. So you know, so when you go out the road, listen to me. Let me talk to you nice and very nice and nice and nice. You see my brassiere alone. You see, my brazier alone a $60. You hear what I say? $60. Me I got talk about actual value now. My brazier alone a $60. Okay? My panties more than $10. We reach 70 something. Right? You see, when I buy my ear them out of my pocket with my money, it's the least $200. This year, I'm not going to start my business. I'm going over K-Luxury Beauty, go and go ask for phone and price and outside that. Yeah, you understand? You see, if I do my face, you see if I'm not doing my face by myself and I should pay to do my face, to do my makeup, I'm on that, right? You see, if I do my lash, I'm on that, right? You see, if I wear clothes, I'm on that, okay? Zin? And then now, the nice little jewelry them, I'm on that. All purchased by moi. Alright? And a man buy me it. So you see, when me I go with this, there is no way in heaven or hell I am going to walk out in that street out there and no man that is not capable of maintaining what I can already maintain myself does not deserve to have me.
So now hear what the top girl says. She has say if you're not operating at her standard, nobody running on a thing because she not look nobody for, you know what I mean? Even though she not look nobody for support her, she still not look nobody where she have to support. I'm kind of understand what she has say. However, in the next part now, she get a little bit more passionate, and this is where some people might disagree with her, including me. I'm kind of 50-50 on what she's saying at the next part because I believe that this is by a situational thing, more like basis by basis. You know what I mean? People build together if they found each other and they know that, you know what I mean, then can make it. And it do happen. There's a lot of stories out there where people find each other without things and then build together. Likewise, she might write said way. She says she build herself and she never asks for no help, so she not help build nobody. So take a listen to what she have to say and then we can comment, yeah?
I'm not gonna deal with a man who can't maintain me. I'm not gonna want nobody nothing from no man. I'm not gonna beg no man money. But me and you are for them on the same level. And that me I talk about. Me and you are for them on the same level. Because guess what? Guess what? There was a level at once where I was building myself as well. So guess what now? You see, if you feel like you're on the level where you build yourself, you alone are going to stay there and build yourself over there. So me and you, me not come build you and you not come build me. If me already passed the level where you there, guess what now, my G? Guess what now, my G? Yeah, that means you need to go and build yourself over there, so. You get me? So listen, when me not bash nobody where I try, I'm not bash. There's levels to this, bitch. There is levels to this. Me not build nobody. First of all, when I was trying to build myself, nobody wasn't there. I'm not look for nobody build me. Cause you see when me go to whether me buy up my stuff, my assets, them nobody now come talk. See, and them help me buy that. I want nobody have nothing to say about this girl here. So you listen, you see, there's levels that me not gonna say a woman not for date a man. If you feel like say you love the listen, when me used to go to school and me get project, you know, me never really too like the projects, you know. Me never really told that me no like projects. So if me a date somebody and him feel like a project, me not going to work. Me not date no project. Me top go school long time. Me top the assignments long time. Me not date no project. No, it's not gonna work. If there was at a point where me I had on the safe words in life, not fuck up in life. No, me and you are for them on the same level for me and you there.
People, me really like that conversation. You know what I mean? It's opinionated. It's her opinion versus anybody where I got challenge it, including myself. Like myself, I not agree with her 100% what she say, but at the same time, I cannot say she wrong because it's her opinion and she know what she want. Now, the part what me I think about now, you know what I mean? She never really explain what she mean like the same level because she's a dancehall artist. She's an artist, and that's a tall order for fill if somebody I try to match up up with her financially. Now you have people out there where do them business. You have man where do them business and I run them business where it might be equivalent. So but me sure say no financial alone. Maybe she had talk about, you know what I mean, mindset and goals, achievements and all these things. So she never really talked about that. One thing she did talk about, with not in this video though, she talked about when she used to work, like when she used to work regular job, and some of the things them was a fierce. They say she used to work a store, so like customer service or something like that. So I will heap of disrespect, you know what I mean, people with attitude and all kind of things like that. So she has said she been through that and she did it by herself, so she not see why she forgive somebody else like basically a lead way for pick up half of her, you understand? So this is definitely a open discussion. This anybody can relate, man or woman. So you can get in the comment section, tell us what you feel about this kind of subject matter and how you look upon it. Alright, so stay safe, I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.